Okay, lesson 2, we talked about the E-shaped bar chord. Now we're going to get into the A-shaped bar chord. And again, I'm going to work on both the major chord and the minor chord and the arpeggios of that chord. Okay? Still, I'm going to be playing here at the 5th fret. I'm still going to be thinking about A, okay? Because it's such a common key. But let's think of this as the 4 chord here, all right? And if I'm playing, I've got my A scale going on, all that A pentatonic stuff, my D arpeggio, the D major arpeggio right there. Now for me, the way to do this, that second finger has to hit there because the first finger needs to come over here and play that third of the chord. Then I like to bar, as if I was playing the bar chord, I like to just go ahead and bar those 3 strings. Then you got to get the bar out of there to play that note up there. Okay, there are my major chord tones. And a lot of times I'll be playing an A, the band shifts over to D, there's my major third, and then the band goes back to A, and I'm back on my A chord. So you see I was highlighting those D major, in this case it's a D chord, arpeggio tones throughout that A pentatonic scale, right? If we need our minor chord, okay? Here's our D minor chord. It's the A-shaped chord, but it's the minor. There's our arpeggio. Root note, we've got our minor third here we're going to reach for. Okay? In this instance, I may have to shift my thinking to, instead of being on my A major pentatonic, that scale worked fine for playing over that D major shape with a couple of extra notes. Okay? But when I go minor here, maybe you want to start thinking about, maybe we're playing the 4th pentatonic pattern. See how that 4th pentatonic pattern fits that minor chord real well, alright? So if I'm thinking that way, and I'm playing these arpeggio chord tones, and I want to play some riffs, alright? I'm playing riffs, but you're hearing those chord tones. Okay? I know where those chord tones are. You should know where those chord tones are as well. This is something that you can really put a lot of time into before you really get it right. Okay? But it's very important, and it will really, really, really add so much sophistication to your playing. Just playing scale patterns alone is not enough. All right? As an advanced level guitar player, you need that extra edge of the arpeggio tones. You need to know your chord tones. You need to know majors and minors. You need to know all the different caged arpeggio shapes. All right? So there's the A shape. And next week, I want to get into putting some of this stuff together. All right? We'll have a lot of fun with that. Thank you.